Welcome back to another episode of Fox 40 Foodies. I'm Chef Aubrey. Today we'll be doing our tailgate edition. Welcome to the outside. Welcome to Fox 40 Foodies Jackson. I'm Chef Aubrey. Today we'll be featuring our grilled vegetables fresh off the grill. Guys, we're keeping the meal under $30 today. We're gonna start with our sides. We have a smoked macaroni and cheese. We have a baked bean. We have grilled corn and also grilled vegetables, which is squash, zucchini, eggplant, green and red bell pepper, and also we have some button belly mushrooms. We marinate this overnight with a little balsamic vinaigrette and a little Chef Voila season. Keep it in your Ziploc bag overnight. You pull it out and put it on the grill. For 30 minutes, they'll be ready as well. Our grilled vegetables, what we did was we took one squash, one zucchini, one red green bell pepper, bella onions, and we marinated them in a balsamic vinaigrette overnight. Prepped them first thing this morning so they were ready for the grill. And here you have it, our fresh grilled vegetables, fresh off the grill. You can find all of this and the full list of ingredients on fox40jackson.com.